Can I get the family pack? I think it's the large cheese and pepperoni with the 20. Can I do them half barbecue, half medium, but can I have them crispy? Bye.
No name?
No
Didn't ask for a name?
No name!
Wow, I got my camera out for no reason at all.
I'll show you a reason.
Alright, what's up YouTube? We're back with a new video. If you haven't liked it already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We got David.
Hello.
Hello, he hasn't been in the videos in a...
Shalom.
I don't even know how long. Very long time. Yeah, he lives far, so it's alright.
It's an hour and 23 minutes.
Is it really? Holy fuck.
He walked.
We got Mitch like usual. What are we doing today?
We're going to snack on some pizza and wingness.
Yeah.
Convinced her.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna flip that motherfucker over.
Yeah, it's still fucking tacky. It's been like a week, dude. How is that even? Well, it's cold, but
it was freezing temperatures like.
Yeah, especially
It's
yeah.
supposed to be like 50 today, I thought.
Tomorrow.
Today? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow's supposed to be 45.
Oh shit, dude.
But finish painting that. I gotta take the engine mount off to grind it down, and I want to start cutting out the rear antenna and shaving that.
Oh, do you? Hey, we could start that.
What?
Yeah.
So come here, David. Come here, buddy.
We got some ideas.
And like,
he wants to do some shit.
This little nub.
That little
Right
nubby
here,
boy.
I
right
want to
there.
take it out of the car, put a little piece of metal, and
Bondo.
Bondo.
It's getting. We're wrapping it, by the way, too.
he said,
I'm buying him wrap.
Yeah.
And we're wrapping the whole car.
"You gonna buy my truck wrap?"
No.
Actually, my truck's paints him like fucking.
Yeah, it looks really good from the pictures. Oh yeah, he's buying a truck.
It's actually technically mine. I have the title in my hand. I
Oh,
just
you
don't
have the title?
a physical truck. Yeah.
Oh, did you
There's
pay
a
for it?
whole fucking story behind it. I'll go over it when we're in better lighting.
Yeah.
In a little bit, and we'll get all set up.
All right.
Because it pissed me off.
No, I came off. Well. Jesus. Desperate times.
Can I do it to this one?
No, that one's actually.
That's a new one, yeah.
Oh, this is a new one?
Yeah.
This one's
Oh, even better.
Holy fuck.
Well, add to the list. I need a mirror. What's
You
the
need a
list?
mirror.
That's like a side mirror.
Oh my
Four
god.
doors, so
For more horse.
Do I look like I work for the highway patrol?
You really do.
I need a fucking thing
That
like
that coat, dude. What are you doing? It doesn't have to be pretty. We're just taking
Yes,
a
it
quick.
does. It's my car.
Oh, okay. So, oh shit, this is your truck.
I did the same exact fucking thing he did, and it was bone cold. This is the truck. This is my truck.
Oh shit! All right, we're gonna take a quick ride to Advanced.
Yeah.
Okay, Advanced Auto Parts. Oh yeah, Mitch, that's how you feel? We're gonna take a quick ride.
Can't even manage.
Holy
My knees
fuck.
are hitting up against
Yeah,
the thing.
dude. You can move back. I have a lot of room back
Oh
here.
shit!
I really hope
Yeah.
I get in a car crash.
I hope not. I mean, I don't.
It'd
I'm
be
not wearing a
great
seatbelt.
video content. Just
Actually, yeah, let's crash.
Not with you guys.
Crash the fucking car. What? Right now? No, but what are we getting? What are we picking up?
we're gonna get light bulbs.
Light bulbs.
Cutting discs,
Okay.
pizza and wings.
Oh yeah, and pizza. Yeah, we're gonna pick up the pizza and wings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we might out here be yerking our snake.
You're yerking our snake. All right.
Oh, you're at 2. I was like, why is it shifting?
We got the shit. We got the shits.
We're about to have the shit
Oh,
after
yeah.
this pizza.
Yeah, I know. We got the shit from Advanced Auto Shards. We're gonna go pick up the pizza right there. He has directions. Yo, don't break your phone now. You don't need to go buy
Everything I
another.
own's a piece of shit besides my Cavalier.
No, that's a piece of shit.
Yeah, that's
That be junk.
that's
Yo, let's
the
do a reverse
biggest.
fucking endo.
Oh my god.
Let's not say we did. What the fuck, dude? Holy shit.
We're here.
What's the point?
Yo, what the fuck? Do it again. Probably like, what the fuck is he doing?
Do it, you won't, pussy.
Yo.
I won't.
Yo, what are you doing?
Which way do I got 10?
Oh my god.
Hello? We're lost!
Wait, ready? Close the door. Close the door.
Welcome to Mustachios, where they have the, I don't even know how the pizza's here. They'll have the mustachios. We gonna pick up the pizza right now. We got the pizza. I bought 4 cookies for all 3 of us.
I bought 3 Cokes for all 3 of us.
We doing coke?
All the cookies. Where go? Are you sure that's the camera or behind you?
Did you hear that rear diff go?
Yeah, that's not good.
Sounds like a boat.
Honestly, one of these times I'm gonna hit it and it's just gonna die.
Oh my god.
It's close. Its horn capabilities are not there. Alright, let's just send it.
It sounds like a barge.
Oh, it's dying, it's dying.
It's slowly going. Oh.
Ew.
The best 300 dollar car I've ever bought. You know, if it blows, I'll get air horns.
We're back at the shop. What's up? Wait, what do you have?
I'm trying to pee in the mouth.
Oh my god. Okay, we got some pizza and wings here. All right, we're gonna start eating. Then we gotta work today. Did you grab all the tools? We just had some pizza wherever the box went. Whatever we ate. Now we're respraying this. It's actually still fucking tacky somehow. Oh god.
Was that like rust prevention?
Undercoat.
Undercoat. Yeah. So we're gonna spray this and let this dry for another week and a half and still be tacky.
I'm still waiting on my parts from the fucking Rock Auto. Like 2
Oh
weeks
yeah.
out.
God.
Is it a lot cheaper than everywhere else?
It should be. Usually it's a lot cheaper. A little bit cheaper. Yeah. It's pretty good.
It looks like it's finally gotten smarter. Actually, undercoat stuff now.
No, they didn't get much smarter. No. Start spraying it in your mouth. Now you want to take out the motor mount, right?
Guess whose vehicle has no rust on it?
Don't look at under there. Don't do that. Holy fuck. Which mount do you want to take?
The bottom.
Bottom mount?
This one.
Oh, that one.
It's not even fucking.
It's not doing anything. Yeah, that's a problem.
Well, you see,
We gotta take this one out, but it's not holding
I
anything.
gotta put thread locker on it too.
Wow, dude, he's actually using fucking Loctite for once.
Yeah.
Dude, he's growing up.
When I was on the thruway, a
Yeah.
fucking bolt flew out.
Yeah, I know. That one right there.
This one was loose as fuck.
Yeah, that's fucked up. Howdy.
You stay strapped on.
Yeah, we found a toy.
Whose was it?
You can't leave us alone here. Did you get that thing out? Oh, you got it out? Oh, I didn't even see you take out the bracket.
I had a shit before I took it out.
Yeah, so I got the motor mount out. I wasn't doing much, just sitting there. So what now?
Cut that up, and then
Then we're gonna start doing the antenna.
Yep.
Well, guys, if you haven't liked it already, you should definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I caught it. You should subscribe because we need more subscribers. We're about to hit 1,000 subscribers soon.
We're gonna have more content soon too.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have a lot more content. Maybe have David's truck. So you haven't seen it with the lights on. Do you still have them on? Oh yeah,
I'm gonna
dude.
sitting there even though the seat's not bolted out. Or see how this works?
Oh yeah, that's all right. Yeah, we got the blue lights. The camera does nothing.
Oh my god.
We got
Fucking bitch, you need to grow. Dude, this wheel feels.
I like the
I
wheel.
don't really fuck with it.
Yeah, it's real nice. We got all the lights. That took a very long time to do.
These?
Yeah, oh yeah.
To rewire all of them.
Yeah.
Why'd you rewire them all?
I rewired them all through the dash.
Oh, did you?
They were a mess. Yeah. But this is a new dash in here too.
Yeah.
It's all cracked up and shit like the other one. Fuck, it didn't crack when we slapped it, so it's good.
Shake it. There's no vibrations.
Yeah, it's not gonna fuck.
Yeah, my
You
truck,
need a mirror.
truck off mine, it's got a big fucking hole right here.
Oh shit.
It's because it was a town truck, so it had the light right there.
Oh yeah.
Is this
pretty
gonna have
cool,
a horn or?
Could add one, but probably not. Not Mitch. He just
gonna be
revs.
on my
He just revs it or yells out the window.
Fuck
That's
you.
Mitch's horn.
Is that what it was on when it was?
The old cluster has.
He just shit himself.
Did you just move? You gotta go.
Oh no.
When you gotta walk away, you gotta.
I just released the crack in that thing.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I did. That's why I put my hood.
I don't smell shit.
It had 156.
Oh, what the fuck? It just hit me.
Yeah.
Gee. Oh my god.
I think that was worse than a David fart.
I think that was. Oh, my hole. Does the rubber just come out? Oh, daddy. Oh, you chipped some paint, buddy.
It won't matter
To
because
the metal.
we doing it.
We're doing the wrap.
So what are you gonna do? You gotta put a plate.
Plate? I don't know if I want to go from the underneath.
Underneath.
Underneath, yeah.
Because that way you can.
But it's gotta get welded in.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So.
you do it from the underneath.
Yeah, you do it from the underneath. That way you ain't gotta grind down.
You got a whole
just Bondo
fucking
the
plate
hole.
then, yeah.
We still gotta sand this area around for
Yeah.
weld. Oh, I have.
We could weld inside if you want. But
I mean,
you gotta.
it only needs like 5 tacks.
Yeah, you only need a few
little-
tacks. You got a welder here? Oh, you do have the welder here. Okay.
So I guess we'll get sanding.
Got sanding. All right, we're moving the bumper from up top on the car. Oh!
Wait, the slide. Dude,
Hang on. Holy fuck!
I can't see. Someone's ow! Cut my finger.
We almost dropped the slide on the fucking car.
Here, put it up on the thing.
This is
Not
why I
there.
started
Put it up on the
recording.
white shelf.
Oh, and yeah, let's set this on the roof here. We're gonna move the hoods on the roof. The
you
whole.
know what? Tonight, fuck it. I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna.
Oh, good job.
They're like $2.25 a piece for a set. So I'll order like 2 of them just to have backups. You know what? Cam, maybe tomorrow we'll
That
fucking.
did not look good. But
Maybe tomorrow we'll fix the hood.
This isn't supposed to wiggle like that.
Bring the. Oh my God, Daddy.
definitely don't want this catching on fire.
Yeah, no. Then
Fucking
the
man.
second hood.
Someone buy this hood over here. It's coming over.
I'm about to just dump it in the junkyard. To be honest.
It's a nice looking hood, though.
Yeah, it needs a lot of work. David
Needs some work.
I know, I'm
Somebody
stuck.
would like it. We'll sell it for you for $1.
Honestly, $20 can pick it up.
Yeah, $20. Come pick it up.
That's the piece we'll use.
That's some thick steel.
No, it's
Oh no, it's not thick. You're good.
Inch.
16 gauge.
We do things the right way at Clinton's Customs. Probably not even a metal blade. Alright, I'll get back to you when we manage to cut this. I'm gonna eat my cookie. Alright, David got the piece cut here. Now we see how the car is curved. We gotta shape that to the curve of the car. Oh god, I keep stepping on the fucking rack. I keep stepping on your rack, miss.
I love ruining my car.
We're having David bend this. Oh, that's working a lot better than I thought. That's actually pretty good. I don't know how much you have to bend it. You have to test fit it. Not bad. Well, we'll see. Oh,
This should be good enough for you to weld, right?
That's actually.
that's good. So once we get that ready to go, we'll tack it in real quick.
Yeah.
Get the welder ready in a
Tack it
second.
in, just go. Saying this smooth.
Yeah, I'll do a tack in the inside too
Yeah.
to make sure.
Whoa, this is the Ghost Adventures of Klitsky's Customs. Whoa, oh fuck, oh shit. Cam, can you say that again, Cam?
Where did my helmet go?
Yeah. On this episode of Klitsky's Motherfucking Customs, we out here doing some body work.
Welding. Oh my god.
That's
I
right.
just wasted a lot of water.
That's 12 cents.
All right.
Alright, how fun is
Ready, fuckers? I need that light. Melted the car.
Nope. Didn't hold. Hold on.
God damn it.
I melted the car.
I had her full blast, feeler.
You melted my car.
Ow,
did.
ow.
That's why we have Bondo. Try it. It's a lot of splatter and I don't know why. I wouldn't do that. I'll weld inside.
Because the battery's right under there.
Ah, fucker.
So as you just seen, oh fuck, I tripped over the propane. Cam was just out here picking his nose and laying down some boogers.
Dude, look at all that fucking splatter.
Here,
Whatever.
hold this and I'll show you my magic.
You got magic?
The magic in my pants.
Is that that? Oh, okay, okay. I see what you're doing here.
How much, you guys? Yeah, we'll put some Bondo on it.
Fuck it.
Smooth it out.
I swear I know how to weld. That's just really bad. Bit of Bondo, cover that, make it nice and
That
silk.
would actually be perfect because you can feel the dent.
Because it's already
here.
dented. In here, the whole thing is down. So
Bondo.
we get some Bondo over it, make it really
Do you
smooth.
have Bondo?
Yeah, do we have Bondo?
I don't know. It hasn't been here.
This is Clinty's Customs. We eat Bondo
Yeah.
when we get hungry. Look at that big ass tub.
Hey, come on, give it to David. David's still the Bondo
Probably
guy.
solid.
Don't put a lot on.
No, I'm gonna smear it nicely like it should be.
Hold on. There's that. I just need to get a piece of cardboard real
Do
quick.
you have anything to like mix this with?
Do I have purple in my nose yet?
Yeah. Yeah, we're made of like 5% Bondo because of this. 10% Bondo.
Whose idea was it to even fucking
We have so
Bondo?
much of it.
I know that.
You?
No, I don't. It wasn't my idea originally.
Day back.
No, it was mine.
You?
Was it?
One of you guys.
I said it.
I don't know how to work bodies. The only body I know how to work is that I work that big. No.
Oh, I'm keeping that.
No.
Yeah.
She'll kill me.
It's only your fiance. Oh,
She doesn't even
they
watch
know about that?
that. Yeah, they know he's a married man now. He's been a married man for a long time, but it's official now. Oh, and they're doing the Sandy boys now. Did he change it? Did you lick it?
Where's the alcohol?
Oh, I already wiped it.
Well, we drank it all.
Well, fine. I'll re-wipe it down.
All right, we got it all masked off.
Mask off.
Yes, it's ready to get painted. Oh, I'm touching it. Get the alcohol.
I got sandable primer for now.
Oh,
Shit face.
oh, motherfucker! I'm so sorry. Fuck.
Your ass.
How bad is it? Hang on.
You just say?
Motherfucker.
Best turd cut I ever seen. You're fucking redneck.
Shit.
I walked away from the situation.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Mitch.
Now here goes more body work.
What'd you do?
The bag fell on the paint and it.
Oh.
Yeah, you need some paint. Alright, so I fucked up the paint, but it's alright. Mitch is doing the last coat on this. Is that empty?
It's almost.
Almost. Alright, he's doing the last coat on this and we're gonna let it dry. Oh! Whoa! It's tripping me. Whoa! So we got another coat on that subframe. We got another coat on this that I fucked up, so we're gonna have to go over it tomorrow.
After we go to Harbor Freight tomorrow,
Yeah.
get a wipe off some moist traps, and I'll get filler primer.
Filler primer, so we can sand. We should sand that when we get back tomorrow.
I think tomorrow what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the filler primer on it, let the filler primer do its thing, and then after the filler primer
Sand
sand
it.
it, and then I'll put like black paint on it.
Yeah, paint it over again. Yeah, that'll work.
Start some body work for when we
Fucking body work.
Wrap
Let me
it.
move over here real quick.
Yo, it's like fucking Despicable Me. Illumination!
So I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm gonna have another video up Friday, too. So probably this one actually.
Hello!
But I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Peace.